All right, so now you know how long it's, or how to scale your budget. Now the next thing is, I jumped into that, is how long it's going to take for you to start seeing results. I've mentioned in the other videos that this stuff compounds, and it absolutely does. You have to think of it this way. Say for instance, if there's a brand new product, like a new way to clean cars, and that product drops on the market, you probably don't have a clue about it. You don't know about it, even though it's the greatest product in the world. How is that product going to get in front of you when you have less time, less efficiency, but you could actually benefit from this product? Well, the only way that company is going to survive is if they get their marketing and their branding and product in front of more people that it can actually solve their problem. So the way they do that is they spend advertising dollars to get in front of more people, which is what you're going to do. You're going to spend money, effort, and energy to get your solutions and your services in front of more people. Because if you truly feel that you can help more people and help them achieve the dream of home ownership or selling a property, and you think that you can actually do all the things that you promise, then it is your job and your obligation to spend your money to get your voice in front of those people that you could potentially work with. So I hope that makes sense. Also, it's unrealistic to think that you're going to be able to do these things immediately. It doesn't work that way. Time is a factor. Not only you can spend all the money in the world and you dump it all in one day, it's not all going to instantly come back to you. It will definitely help make an impact, but it's not going to have a longevity and be able to stay a lot longer. So be realistic in your marketing and your advertising, and do them at least consistently, 3, 4, 5, 6 months consistently. Don't start and then stop, because you're going to get yourself upset by expecting unrealistic results. So what I'd like you to do, set a plan of action, sit down, focus on where you're going to take your budget, how much you're going to spend, what you're going to do with it, and how you're going to do that consistently over 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 months. Go ahead and plan this stuff out, because that way you won't randomly stop 1 month in and be like, I don't have any results yet, and then you get discouraged and then you just completely shut it off. That's just like people who start a diet and they have no end in mind, and they hit their first wall or their first plateau, and then they completely stop 1 month in. But if they would have just kept going and kept consistent with it, they would have achieved their results because they were on the right road. That's also like taking a cross-country trip and driving a couple states over, and then you hit a roadblock or you lose your map, and then you're just like, we've came all this way. It's fine, let's just go ahead and turn back around. No, your job is to get to the destination. That's just an obstacle. All you have to do is just go around it. You cannot stop, turn back around, and just forget everything that you've done and all the effort and energy that you've put into it. So if you come up with a plan and you come up with the results that you want to achieve 4, 5, 6 months out, set a plan, stick to the plan, stay consistent with it. You're going to beat out all those other people that are going to make an emotional decision. So that's how to scale your brand with marketing and budgeting, and what kind of results to actually expect as time compounds.